Sabaydi, hello everybody. Today I'm gonna make some coffee. Coffee is the coffee I got Vietnamese coffee, and I don't know if you're gonna like it or not, but I love it because an instant coffee mix and 3-in-1. I like this one. It's really easy for me and grab and put in the hot water. This is my classic boiling water. I always use this one for when I have this one. I miss my mom and my dad. This coffee is really easy to make, and just pour in the here, pour in the cup. I used to drink 2 of these every single day. The coffee that doesn't bother me anything for sleeping. I don't use a lot of hot water because I like strong. You know, this one is less water and stronger. You know, I like it. Okay, let me taste. I will show you. I don't add anything, just water and the coffee. Okay. Oh my god, so good, you guys. One coffee and 1 donut, the best in the morning. Alright guys, that's all that's all for easy coffee drinking. And please follow Naly Kitchen, like and subscribe for me. See you next video guys. Bye bye, have a good night.